Good morning, class 11. Well, in continuation with the chapter Measures of Dispersion, where already in my previous video I've explained to you quartile deviation and coefficient of quartile deviation. So today you will be doing the topic mean deviation. Well, children, mean deviation is actually the arithmetic average of the deviations of all the values which are taken from some average value, that is mean, median and mode. Here you have to remember one thing, that we totally ignore the positive or the negative signs of the deviations. So children, this mean deviation is denoted as capital M and capital D, and the mean deviation can be taken from median also and from mean also. So if you have to calculate mean deviation from median, then the formula goes like this: MDM equals to sigma x minus m upon n, or sigma dm upon n. And if you calculate mean deviation from arithmetic mean, then the formula goes like this: MD, then we put the arithmetic sign, that is sigma x minus x arithmetic mean upon n, or sigma d arithmetic mean upon n. Now over here MD means, children, remember MD is mean deviation, already I have told you. X minus m is deviation from the median, and x minus arithmetic mean equals to deviation from the arithmetic average, and n is the number of items here, right? Now if you have to calculate the coefficient of mean deviation, first of all you have to remember that in order to find out coefficient of mean deviation, then mean deviation of the series is divided actually by the central tendency of the series. That means it could be divided by all three series. So that is mean, median and mode. So if the deviations are taken from arithmetic mean, then the mean deviation is divided by the arithmetic mean. And if the deviations are taken from median, then mean deviation is divided by the median. And similarly, if the deviations are taken from mode of the series, children, then mean deviation is divided by the mode value. And accordingly, the formula for coefficient of mean deviation in case of mean goes like this: coefficient of MD from mean equals to MD arithmetic mean upon arithmetic mean. And formula for coefficient of mean deviation from median equals to MDM upon M, that is median. And formula for coefficient of mean deviation when calculated from mode equals to MDZ upon Z, because you know that mode is denoted by Z, right? So here MD again is mean deviation, this it is arithmetic mean, median, M, and Z is mode, right? Now when we calculate mean deviation, then mean deviation can again be calculated by three different series, that is individual series, discrete series and frequency distribution series. So today I am going to start with you individual series. So children, when we talk about individual series, here there is a data which has been given, and this is a data of the wages of workers in a factory. Now what we will be doing, we are going to find out mean deviation and coefficient of mean deviation first by arithmetic mean method. That means we need to find out by the arithmetic mean method. So the data goes like this: we have a serial number, that is from serial number from 1 to 9, and the wages in rupees, that is the serial number 1 gets the wages of 40, second 42, third 45, fourth with 47, fifth with 50, sixth with 51, 7 with 54, 8 with 55 and 9 with 57. Now we will be doing the calculation where we will calculate mean deviation, coefficient of mean deviation by arithmetic mean. Now if you see, I have drawn a table over here which has 3 columns. In first column you have serial number, next column I have taken wages as X, and next column we'll take out the deviation. Now serial number as it was given, I have put down 1 to 9. Wages, that is X, as it has been given 40, 42, 45, 47, 50, 51, 54, 55 and 57. Now comes dx. Now we need to find this. Now to find this, already you people have done how to calculate arithmetic mean. So if you see, to find out that arithmetic mean, first we need to calculate it. And what I have done over here, if you see, the first way I find out arithmetic mean. So to find out arithmetic mean, the formula is sigma x upon n. Children, sigma x means you need to add all the wages together, which is x. And once you add all the wages together, your sigma x is 441. At the same time, you need to add all the serial number, which is actually n is the number. And if you add, that comes to 9, because serial number is 9. So we'll put the values in the formula. Sigma x is 441 and n is 9. If you divide 441 from 9, you get arithmetic mean to be as 49. So children, you got arithmetic mean as 49, which I have written in the third column. If you see, arithmetic mean as 49. Now we are going to take out deviation from this. And to take out the deviation, you know how do we take out the deviation? X minus arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is 49, right? Our x already been given 1 to 9. So your first x is 40. So if you minus 40 from 49, you get 9. Now you are not going to put any sign already. In the beginning, I told you that in mean deviation, we totally neglect positive and negative signs. So we are not going to put any kind of sign over here. Next, x is 42. So 42 minus 49, you get 7. Next, 45 minus 49, you get 4. Then again, 47 minus 49, you get 2. 50 minus 49, you get 1. 51 minus 49, you get 2. 54 minus 9, minus 49, you get 5. Then 55 minus 49, you get 6. And 57 minus 49, you get 8, children. Now what you will do, you are going to add all the deviations together. So sigma dx arithmetic mean, that comes to 44. Now what we'll do, we'll find out mean deviation, because we have got the figures now. So the formula for mean deviation, second part C, goes like this: MD arithmetic mean equals to sigma dx arithmetic mean upon n. So you got your arithmetic mean, that is deviation, that is 44, and your n is 9. If you divide 44 from 9, then you get your mean deviation through arithmetic mean as rupees 4.89. And now it is so easy to calculate coefficient of arithmetic mean, coefficient of mean deviation through arithmetic mean, as the formula of coefficient of mean deviation arithmetic mean goes like this. That is mean deviation arithmetic mean upon arithmetic mean, that comes to, you got your mean deviation is 4.89 upon your arithmetic mean is 49. So if you divide 4.89 from 49, you get a coefficient of mean deviation to arithmetic mean as 0.10. So children, this is how you can calculate mean deviation and coefficient of mean deviation